Nikkei 225. That's JP225. JP225 is a major stock market index that tracks the performance of 225 top-rated blue chip companies listed in Tokyo Stock Exchange. It's a price weight index that has been calculated daily since 1950, and the index serves as a benchmark for Japanese stock market, reflecting its overall performance. So let's look at the structure on a daily time frame using our line chart due to the nature of a price movement of stocks. And I do like to preview price action on a candle close on daily, RS1, RS2, break and retest. And we have had RTSR1, RTSR2, RTSR3, making here demand floor. Go back to your chart. You appreciate the beauty of market structure. And to the top, we have seen RS resistance become support on break of structure. And we have an ascending trend line RS1, RS2, RS3, RS4, meaning that the Nikkei 225 could continue to upswing. That in the future, if we break out from this midterm ascending trend line, we could see the Nikkei head into this zone as a potential supply zone. So I'm very optimistic on Nikkei 225 that we could continue to see the Japan 225 continue to upswing, and this become my potential supply roof based on the structure of the market. And we are hopeful that Nikkei could continue to extend that gain. We have seen Nikkei tap into 42, 51 region, which was July 2024 high, and we have seen a common retracement after that. And that retracement is as a result of the price action from this level. If you look at the structure here, you will find a very strong break and retest. We have here as an SR level. In fact, let's make it very pronounced. Go back to your line chart and get it right. So let's put it into perspective so that we can appreciate the structure of the market. Okay, let's that's beautiful. So this is what we want to see. We'll have this is an RS level 1, and after break of structure we have a series of RS RT, and from the bottom we have SR, support become resistance and break of structure, and we have two structures at that level. After break of that supply roof, we came back onto demand floor before break of structure. After we broke it, we came back here, we retested RT, ROS1, RT, ROS2, resistance become support on break of structure, RT3, RT4. And you have seen that candle close reversal at that level on daily after price tapping liquidity. And we have seen the daily candle rejection at that level, still at the same RT level. And if you look at it critically, you'll see that we had all the parameters fulfilled. So I think this is technically what we'll have. And if you move the structure the way it is, the next line of support, the next line of resistance is here. This is the next line of resistance, which you can also see on the line chart on a daily time frame. They both make out two successful RS level. And when those two successful RS levels are broken, see what price has done. RS1, so if you connect it, price reacted exactly at that level. Exactly at that level. Exactly, you have seen Nikkei drop at that level. So the strategy is applicable to everything. The Nikkei 225 is a top rated and blue chip companies listed in Tokyo Stock Exchange. And some of the top Japanese companies listed on 225 is Mitsubishi. And they are big guys there. Of course, everybody know Mitsubishi Heavy Industry. They're into a lot of things. They're into financing, they're into construction, they're into heavy machineries. And we believe that this stock has a lot of role to play in the state of a Japanese economy. And we have seen that 225 will continue to surge. It will continue to surge owing to domestic policies of Bank of Japan. And it's okay that at the moment we stop here for time constraint. And the structure of the market never lies. The structure of the market never lies. Everything the market wants to do, the market is going to tell you. But we have seen so far at the moment a daily reversal for the Nikkei, and I'm expecting that Nikkei should maybe around 37. We go back to a lower time frame to begin to look for buy opportunity at 37. This is a floor to watch. We're watching this floor on the condition that we have here as SR1, SR2, SR3. Break your SR level, break back, price returns here, return back to the SR level again. So this is after the breakout, this became a retest to a broken structure, and we have come back. So if we come here, most likely we'll see that Nikkei would continue buying. And just like I said, trading is probability. A break below this level might call for retest, and you see that price comes down. And if price comes down, it aligns with the daily demand floor. This is a daily demand floor. So if we're coming down from here, there's a very high probability that buyers will be watching SR1, SR2, and to leverage on that situation. I think that's what we'll have for JP225. Let's look at German 40, German 30, and US 30, and we'll stop for there.